We are a manufacturer of automation equipment specializing in screen printing and assembly line solutions. With our in-house engineer and customer service team, we bring innovation and support directly to your doorstep. Our engineer team has over 20 years of expertise in research, development, and production, ensuring our equipment is at the forefront of the industry standard. For over 16 years, our customer service team has been delivering high-quality after-sales support, guaranteeing your peace of mind and seamless operations. We combine experience with excellence, crafting a partnership that propels your business forward. Let's create something remarkable together. Let me introduce you our exceptional service in just a few moments. Our engineer team is on standby, ready to offer online support at your convenience. Before equipment sets off, we will provide a clear demonstration video or do live streaming and testing criteria for your peace of mind. We guarantee that every piece of equipment leaves our facility in perfect condition, fully calibrated, and ready to perform. Plus, enjoy the rest assurance of a 12-month warranty on the mainframe. Our commitment to quality is backed by CE standard, ensuring our equipment meets the highest safety and performance standards. And we never far away. Our online customer support is available 24/7 to assist you promptly. And as a special offer, we are providing a complimentary list of consumable material to keep your operations running smoothly. Choose us for reliable service and support.